Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendanos. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to create a slide to shut down shortcut on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Lock screen that will allow you to roll down your lock screen in order to just shut down your computer. The slide to shut down involves slide to shutdown.exe, which is situated in the System32 folder. This slide to shutdown feature can be used with a touch device or even with a mouse. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on your desktop screen. So dito sa ating desktop screen, ayan, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung new, and then select mo lang dito yung shortcut. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung create shortcut, and dito lang sa type the locations of the item at dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung browse. So kailangan mo lang i-click yung browse. And then dito sa browse for files or folders, and then select mo lang dito yung this PC, okay? So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa this PC, so may mga selection dito, either C drive or yung ating D drive. So i-select mo lang dito yung C drive. So i-click mo ulit yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa ating C drive, and then kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows folder. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and locate mo lang dito yung Windows folder. And then i-click mo ulit yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa Windows folder and next step, so scroll down ulit at i-locate natin yung System32. So scroll down and locate lang natin dito yung System32, and then i-click mo ulit yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito sa System32 and next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung slide to shutdown. Okay, so kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. Ayan, so kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung slide to shutdown, and then click mo lang yan. At dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung OK. So i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And wait natin na ma-paste dito sa type the locations of the item. Ayan. So makikita mo na dito na na-paste na dito sa kanyang type of locations. So nandito yung C drive, Windows, /, System32, / slide to shutdown.exe. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung next dito sa baba. So click mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa kanyang type a name for this shortcut. So pwede mong i-change ito. Pwedeng any name na pwede mong ilagay, or i-type mo dito yung slide to shutdown. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung finish. So click mo lang yan. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So kapag kailangan mong mag-shutdown, so i-click mo lang itong nagawa natin na shortcut para mas madali. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to create slide to shutdown shortcut in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.